Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to edit an embedded smart object in Photopea. Let's get started. I already inserted or imported embedded smart object. See this smart object icon and double click the smart object icon. Then open new window. Then edit. See this text. Double click. Then sense color text color. Or okay, then see this shape, change shape color, double click and change shape color. Stroke color added, change stroke size. Okay, and resize. So transform control. Press Ctrl S. Then edit it. Close it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.